day to everyone. I will conduct a pre-driving check-up or what are the parts of the car that you will check before you drive or operate a motor vehicle. I will use the acronym Blowbagets for inspecting the car. The acronym is used to easily remember what we will check before driving a car. B stands for battery, L stands for light, O stands for oil, W stands for water, B stands for brakes, A stands for air, G for gas, E stands for engine, C stands for tools, and S stands for sound. The battery. The car will not run if the battery is damaged. Check the battery is fully charged with clean and good cables of the battery terminal. Also check the battery health, and a car battery usually lasts 3 to 4 years. Lights. Make it a habit to check the headlights in low beam and high beam. Signal lights, the left and right signal lights, the brake lights, hazard lights, tail lights, and fog lights. We can also ask our companion or do it yourself to check if the lights are working well. Oil. The car needs oil to lubricate all engine components. The oil level should be in between 2 dots. Should reach up to this level. Our car lacks oil, the engine will break down or deteriorate. Also ensure that there are no leaks by checking underneath the car. Water or coolant. Always check the water coolant level in the radiator before driving. It is one of the ways to avoid overheating and road crashes. Check the quality of disc brake or drum brake. Check the brake system is working well and check brake oil level before operating or using the motor vehicle. Next is air or tire. Follow the pressure guidelines and air intake instructions found in the car's user manual to avoid a tire blowout. Also check the tires to see if it is damaged. One tip to check is to place a coin in the tire tread. If the coin cannot be placed deep in the tire tread, that means the tire is worn out and it's time to replace or change the tire. Gas or fuel. It is always important to ensure that your car has enough fuel or gas. Always check the fuel level if it's enough for your travel. It can be checked by the fuel gauge in the dashboard of the car. Check the engine before travel. Turn on the engine and listen to its sound. If there are any unusual sounds like pinging, tapping, knocking, or other unusual sounds, it is better to consult a car technician or an expert for repairs. Tools or accessories. Check if the car had tools in place. Do not forget to also include early warning device, colors red and yellow, emergency first aid kit, battery jumper, tire jack, tire wrench, and a spare tire. Self. Lastly, and the most important is self. Human error causes most of the accidents. The frequent causes are over-fatigue, sleepiness, drunkenness, and medical problems. Ask yourself if you are physically and mentally fit to drive a vehicle. Always remember, for road safety, remember, Blowbagets.